Apparatus: a plate, a ink source, a leaf, and water. I have used the ink source as refill of a pen. Firstly, we will pour some water in the plate. We can use how much quantity as we like, but I have used half as the size of plate.
Secondly, we will take the leaf and apply ink on its stalk using refill. Now we will place the ink leaf in water, and as the density of ink is lighter than water, it floats on it and provides a force to leaf to act as a speedboat.
Fun fact of the day. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and share it to your near and dear ones. Bye bye and wait until our next video.